Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Efforts for analyzing the currency pairs as well as US 30, Bitcoin, so gold, silver. So before we get into this week analysis, so this is my disclaimer. This channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for the financial investment. And I am teaching how to analyze the forex and commodity market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott edition trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through comments in my post about Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentiment. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only. What I learned from the books, video clips, and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and the technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I am not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explained this video. So I just remove some of the disclaimer because in past I didn't create an telegram channels. So I from the last week I did, and this sentence is most important. I am not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. Why I am adding this line? Because someone is copying my analysis, something, because I am posting in everywhere, in Facebook pages, LinkedIn, and some social medias, Twitter, TradingView, as well as in WhatsApp group and more in Telegram groups. So what they did is he just simply remove my name. I will show you in my this thing and how it will be. That is why I didn't update it from the last week. After once I finished my YouTube the Saturday, and Sunday I come to know, and some of the community member said and informed me somebody is copying your analysis and it's similar to you. Then only I went to that Telegram channel and saw from the June 1st he is copying all my analysis what I am posted in various platforms. So he just removed my NMK Vijay's view for educational purpose only. He just remove from that paint with the use of paint, and he is posting as his analysis and advertise his channel name and website name. So this is a little bit shame to him, not for me, because I am posting, keep on posting from the 3 years. So this is my hard work. So somebody is stealing your hard work, you will get more upset. If it is a sharing, that is different. That is helping my analysis to promote. But this is stealing. So difference between the stealing and the promoting, you know very well. So that is why I just watching, and I didn't updated any analysis from the past week, from the Sunday to this Saturday. So and what I did is I just watermark all the charts now. So how it will be, I will show you here, then you come to know. Just a moment. See, this is my analysis, and a lot of followers know the color combinations and my fonts, everything. I did here in this column, in this row, NMK Vijay's view for educational purpose only. He removed this with the help of paint, and then he pasted here his website name. So I blocked that. I don't want to show, and I don't want to promote him. So be cautious and be careful of the fraudsters. Lot of peoples are doing the same thing. I know, that is why I'm from the starting itself, from the September, when I am doing the first video itself, I'm just keep on watching, because I am in the market from the past 3 years. I know the value of the chart, of my chart. I'm just teaching here for and create awareness. It's not for making the money and how I'm doing my trade. I know how I'm trading. This is to help the people, because I learned, and lot of tuition teachers teach me without any fees, because I'm a middle class and very poor people. So they know, the teachers know how I am suffering from that without the financial. So I'm teaching here for free. Some of people, they come to me, and I will just sending the PDF files of Elliott waves for free, no cost, and I'm charging very very less. So I'm not to encourage these kind of peoples. I know the hard work, and I know the feeling, and I know the emotions, everything of the hard work. We have to respect the hard work. See, this keeping this one, um, to get the ready to share in all the websites, that one chart will took more than 45 minutes. I need to analyze, I need to labeling, and I need to recheck, and I need to comment here the market commentary, and then I need to recheck, and then I need to post in every platform. I'm doing it as a free. See, he is simply just removing my name, and he is just copy, and he is posting here. That is helped me. So from this week, see, in Telegram channel, he just removed my name, and he just pasted his website name, and he is doing, and he didn't know anything what he written. Just read the market commentary inside the chart very carefully. So like this kind of people I'm not promoting, and it's a very shame to them. And from now, this is my latest watermark. So in every chart it will be there. This is NMK Vijay's. So this is my original chart. So be careful of the fraudsters. I'm just keep on watching. If you're not trading also, don't uh, get into their that wrong way, those kind of people, and you will lose the money in the name of me. So be cautious. I don't want to tell about this kind such things. And this is the one, the USDJPY. So I took an entry exactly as per my analysis. It came to that 104.8 and 104.5 is my zone. So I took my position here. So I will explain in that. So before that we get into this, so this is my watch list. We will see all those things: DXY, Euro USD, JPY USD, everything I will one by one. So let's move on to the chart. So before this, I need to show something. It's very helpful to you also. So this chart before the FOMC meeting, I have posted in all the forums and websites, but not in that Facebook pages, and I'm not updated anything. So I'm not give it into only the forum for where I am him. So this is a weekly chart. This is how it reacts. This channel, this is a trend line. So this is the channel from 2008, and this is keep on supporting this channel. So before the FMC, see, this is where we have everybody telling the weak economy weak and blah 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 something, and coronavirus affecting. So nothing is there, but I won't listen to them. just listen to this channel and where we are, support zone, that's it, and all everything. So just I will keep on showing that. Yeah, so this is DXY, and the next thing is Euro USDR. See this channel line, and it's already broken, but still this week is not completed, and no, and now it broken, but still 2 days to go. So if it can be the next week, it can come inside this trend line also. This is USD CAD, and this is GBP USD, and this is UJ, this is UCHF. So everything in support, weekly support, it's not a daily, it's a weekly support. So I just informed them, and I keep adding my positions. So I will explain you how I catch the bottom and the top. So let's move to the chart. So this is my weekly chart, you can come to understand. So we are in weekly support zone. See, this kind of wicks will be there, but what is the resistance and what is the support zone here? See, these are all exertion. It will attract that sellers to come into the market, and they will lose. See, they won't enter here, they won't enter here, they won't enter here, only they will enter here, because the support was broken and this support was broken, and it has to be, the channel was also broken, and they will enter here. And what will happen? It may bounce. See, I'm not sure about this, I'm not biased on this, and I'm not telling it will go to this. This is a chances to make from here to here, that's it. Even though if it comes to the downside, we have to accept. I will took the loss, but you just listen where we have to sell the position. If you are not taking a buy also, not to sell here, that is my valuable information to you. We don't know how it will be. So if it is going down, it's okay. But if you took the sell here, my target zone is it has to break that 103.82, and this will be like this kind of wave formation. There will, you won't get any pullback. Otherwise, in 3 waves it has to reach here. Still now that is valid. So we come to that 1 hour. See, this is the looking like. I'm not able to count. In previous, what I expected is, I already explained the past video, in the past week. I expected as in a running flat here, or expanded flat, and it has to reach the 97 and 98.3, but it failed to reach there because of the pressure. So what now it is, it's A, B, C, W, X. So that Y is intermediate, all everything is in diagonal formation. It's a ABC1, ABC2 like that, because I'm not able to count here. This is very, very messy. So I don't want to lose my time to counting this. We know how it will react here. Once this is got failed to make the irregular flat, I know it has to break this, and I updated in that past in the trading view and in Facebook pages, everything. There is a chances to break this also. So it did, and the channel was also broken. So according to that fib expansion from here to here, it's a 1. So it won't go immediately. See, this is the 5 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings. It's not a 5 waves. It's a 5 swing in the 3-way corrective structure. This is called as a 5-wave corrective structure. It's a ABC A. So the B is a triangle. C is completed here. and after that this is a connecting wave here. I expected the connecting wave little bit deeper, that is W, X and Y. But what it happened is just simple, it finished here itself, WX. So this is the, I thought this kind of messy will, it will be, yeah, X wave, intermediate X wave, and then Y has to come here. That is why I'm expecting. But expecting this, I'm not in buy. That is why I'm keep on saying in my channel, and if you are a follower, you know, expecting the pullback, don't took the position. If it comes here, you have to be in sell side. So it's failed now. If you did here, you are the loser. But if it, as per my analysis, if it comes here to finish the X wave, if we are in that cell, we will took all these things, the profit. But we miss the trade, but it will happens. We don't want to catch the trade according to the market. The trade has to come to you, and then only you have to take your trade, and that will boost you and you will get a confidence. So according to the, see, if you are losing or taking the profit, it has to know how I make the profit, or how I did a mistake and how I lose the money. You have to learn something from that. It's not blindly to trade. Trading is a self confidence. You have to get confidence, the trade has to come to your way. So you just create a plan and you wait for that, patience. So let's move on to DXY. Sorry, Euro USD. See, in past video I explained about that. It's a ABC is finished here, W, and X is an expanded triangle. This is a W, so ABCA, ABCB, and it's intermediate ABCC and D, and the E is in. Same thing happened in GBP USD. Did you know that? I already posted that also. See here, this is a, it means W, A, B, C, D and E. So once this WX is finished in the expanding triangle, A, B is very messy, and C dropped nearly how many pips? 1000, yeah, almost 1800 pips. 1 3 and 1 4, yeah, 1 and 4. So this kind of wave I'm expecting in Euro USD in a three-way structure. In a three-way structure to break this low. See, this is an A. One second, I will. See, this is A, this is B, this is C is completed. So the overall it's A. Simply I'm telling. Okay, I'm telling. This is A. B is an expanded flat, and C is a ABC. So B market it as a W. It's a X. So how the GBP fall? A, B, C. I'm looking a fall to break this low, but according to the trend line I placed here, I'm expecting below 1. So I'll show you here. See, and in my trading view I will just keep on this in that, because see, I'm just like did this time this kind of only. What he did is he just removed here this, and now what I'm doing is I will just inside the candle I will just written in that light gray color, So in past I know, but the people I thought they will be genuine, so they won't do like that. Okay, let's move on to this. So here it's a channel. It I'll remove this. See, it accepted and then fall and then it broke and kept as a retested in this zone, and then it fall, and then what happens here is a consolidation of the triangle, and then after that it already rejected here and then retested, and then immediately came back. Now it retested again the same trend line, and now just I copied this clone and then I kept this here. So now I'm expecting this as a target in the three-way structure. So below 1, that is my, because it's already GBP USD did, and it already came down like this kind of things. So I'm expecting this has to come. Whether GBP USD may come or may not, but it has to break this low. GBP USD already did that historical low in the past. One second, I will explain you. See, this low already take, and now I'm expecting this low has to break. So nearly 3000 pips is there, but before that, whether it is coming to making a complex correction here as a connecting wave, and then it can go to this kind of wave formation, and this is also like that. What I show in the Euro USD is a channel. So again it may be one more high to 1.35, and then again it may fall also. I think it won't immediately fall from here. So GBP will be a little bit pushback for the connecting wave, and then it may go up. But at that time I need to saw that Euro USD also from here to here, and then there will be a pullback. So in that pullback GBP USD will make a new high, but I think it may not go to above this level. So this is my positional view. So according to that I will trade. So I can manage the trade. And so now we will go to that 1 hour. So this is a V reversal. I am not able to count this. Same like DXY. So I'm just, what I did is I already did at 1.1585. So here I did, because of this it's looking like a 1 2 3 4 5 is finished here. That is why I took the trade here 1.1585, and immediately this thing happens in the three ways, and I just keep on listening. I didn't cover any position, I didn't book any loss, I just keep watching. And once this happen, I know this is a somewhat impulsive way. It's a 1 2 3 4 5. So from here I counted, so 1 2 3, so 4 will be there, and if the fifth way comes, and I will short. So immediately I saw that what I did is I kept like this, and it already broken this high. So immediately in this high I took a position at 1.1803. that high was the 1.806, and I already entered in the market at 1.1803. Immediately I took the position and it came down, but this kind of price action I didn't like this. So at that time I come to know, okay, this is 1, this is 1 2 3 4 5 is a 3, so fourth is doing, and fifth will get here. So what I place the order at selling order at 1.1920, but mine is not triggered. So I thought in the US session it may go to the high and it will trigger, but I missed the trade here. I just kept this one 1.1585 and 1.1803, and now just I'm keep on watching. But in Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar I did, but euro dollar I didn't. That sell is not triggered. Keep on watching everything. I just missed this, otherwise I will be entered here itself. So right now it's looking like a V reversal. It's a leg head and it will make a right shoulder and then it may fall. So this is my view, and let's move on to GBP USD. So I told no GBP USD I won't trade because I have trading that Euro USD, and in past it is little bit volatility in the Brexit issue. So I just keep on watching only. I eager if it is in a triangle, and I expected this zone at 1.24 zone, but it didn't came, and immediately it shooted and it crossed the high also. So that triangle got invalid here, what I expected. So now it's a or W, whatever you can label it as. So W I thought took it as an X, so this is an Y is completed, and X and ABC is a Z. So this from here I'm expecting a rejection. Same thing I showed you. This is in weekly resistance zone, the trend line, the bearish trend line. This is the bearish trend line. So just it crossed. See, in past we did like this. That is why I have dotted lines. So now what I'm expecting here is, according to this rejection, I just move my trend line here. So it accepted here, but now it is in above that trend line. So it may go up to this also. I'm not sure about this. So just I'm keep on watching. See how, because the GBP is very strong now from the past week. So whether it is not, it may get rejected also, what I said in the WXY in the correction wave, and then it may go up to this level. So we have to watch, and then we have to enter. So my bias is at least it has to be in the 3 ways, or it could be a reversal also, but I am expecting a 3-way correction. So I am expecting the 3-way correction to 1.26. From here, if we just place a trend line, at least it has to be in 3-way structure, maybe at 1.26. So that is the support zone also. So how it will become like this, and then it will took off maybe. So we have to watch and then trade. So now we move on to Australian dollar, then you will come to that. In Australian dollar also, in the last week I entered here, and I am expecting here, it's looking like a leading diagonal. I said I exactly entered at 7170, and I'm just keep on watching that, and I didn't book any, and I won't place any stop loss. So it's looking like here it's a little bit messy. So again what I did is, it's looking like a B and C. Here it's a B is an irregular flat, and then C is completed. So something is finished here, and it may go or may not, but I'm not sure about this. It could be a ABC, because see, in everything here it's a 3-3 boom. So I think this could be an 4, and 5 may be a so B C. So ABC is a W, ABC and X. So this could be an ABC also. It can be a. So I'm not sure about this. So if I found anything interested, and I will explain in my updated chart after this stream. So right now I'm expecting, and the same thing, if we look the candlestick pattern also, it's very bearish. In past it was, what I did is, it's a hammer, downward hammer, and the bearish candle. But what happened? The next day itself, it's looking like a hammer of bullish, and then doji, and now it is in red candle. And the weekly, it's not so good, but even though it is in selling pressure is there, it's a lot of wicks in this if we reach this zone. So I'm thinking it has to be in the three-way structure, and then it may go about to the 77475, or it could be a reversal also to break this. Now what I'm expecting here is three-way structure, and then it can go up to like this structure. This is the ABC, and again ABC, and then C can took to the 75. See, lot of trend line is merging here. So let's see whether it will go to this zone at 7.6. I'm expecting 7.4. But this wave we need to watch. Then only we come to know how that has to happen here. Whether it is very aggressive, or whether it's a light bit, it's a diagonal kind of waves, or it is very bearish. We have to watch and wait and watch. So I already entered here, and in here I added one more in this zone, because it's clearly seen it's an impulsive wave. Here it is a clearly seen it's an impulsive wave. In that 15 minutes also, see, so I exactly did here, because I thought this is the end, and what I did is waiting for this, and again the three-way structure. So I exactly caught here, and it again did a high, and then again fall. So it's looked like a bearish, and again it may make a one more high. It possible or not, may not, but I will be in sell side only, and I won't add here. That's it. Only the two I already added at 0.710, and here the 7203 or 7205 something I added here. Here itself I added. In this zone I added. So let's move on to New Zealand dollar. Yeah, this is also same thing. What I expected here is a leading diagonal. I told that day, and I already in that at 6670 something, and even though if it comes to here, I didn't add, because Australian dollar is still moving, and DXY is coming down, euro is shooting. So I'm not so satisfied with this 3 and 4 5. So I just keep on watching only. So anyway, if it breaks, if it comes and if it breaks this, then only I will enter. So what it happens, I already entered here, so I no need to enter one more thing here itself. If it is higher, then it's fine, but it's not just a 30 pips. I don't need to add without any confirmation. So what I just keep on watching, and then that how I find that it's a B, C is there. Again I added here. So now I am having the two positions, one at here, that 6670 and 6705 I think. So I added here, and UJ also I caught that the bottom. I will explain you that also. So now we move on to USD CAD. USD CAD I didn't add any positions, because I already having the position at 1.33420 something, 33420, sorry, 1.33420. So again I didn't add, because it came to 100 pips down also. I'm expecting from here itself it has to bounce. So that is why I entered here, and again it came back and keep on messy. So I thought it may break 1 2 3, and it could be a fourth, and fifth can make come to the downside also. It has a chances to make a one more new low to 1.3250 also. So that is why I didn't took any positions, and it's accepting this trend line. It's keep on and breaking, and they come inside the channel itself, this trend line. So let's see how the Monday reacts, that if the DXY has got a gap up open, or if the dollars get strength. So I'm not sure, it's because this could be like this also. It could be like the 4 may come to this also, but it's not, because its channel is already broken, and I just kept this as a channel. I will show you that once again. Yeah, now see, this channel is already broken and retested. Once again, yeah, here, and we are on above the channel only now. So I don't want to again force the chart. It's a wedge pattern, it's already finished here itself. So the fourth wave could be ended here, and this is the wedge formation. The fifth wave is ended here. Now it could be a 1 2 3 A B C. It's a and B is came down, and C can shoot, or it could be 1 2, and 1 2 also is the bigger 1 2 1 2, means it can be a little bit faster than, because I'm expecting here it's a B, and C is ended here. Now the D wave. So if for that bigger triangle in the daily chart, see, this is an could be a end of that third wave. It's a Y wave. So X wave could be a triangle also. So whether from here it can go about this kind up to 1.42 or 1.450 like that, and then fall, or from here I will show you once again. We will move on to the forwards, because it's a bigger 1 2 3, and now I'm expecting maybe a 1 2 3 like this. So this will making a connecting wave, and then again fall, or it will do like this connecting wave, and then again the impulsive wave to make a 3 5 way quadratic structure, and then fall. So anyway, I'm looking to this zone. So at that time, crude has be around $24 $25 to retest all those things, because from that $0 to again, I think it's a low made is a zero in US oil as per that the chart. So it's a $40, and without any pullback. It's not looking like a deeper pullback. There is no deeper pullback in oil. See, there is no bigger deeper pullback. It's just moving, keep on moving. What fundamentals is accepted here? Right now the corona is in second wave, everything. So a lot of economy losses, but how it does? That is why my question, nobody is answering for this. Because of the corona, there is no plane and consumption is not there. So there is no stock to storage places, everything. The all media's covered everything. So what happened? What news has boosted this crude? Just answer this. This fall is okay because of the corona. There is no flying plane like that, and still it is continuing. But what makes from the next week itself to boost the oil? So those are all, see, these fundamentals are to trap the retail traders. If you are too good in technical, you can know, you come to know. So how it will behave. See, I bought at 45, you know very well, and my average is $41. Expecting, see, because of that fundamental news only it came down. I accepted that because of the Saudi and Russia issue. But as per my view, it has to make one more high to break this, and then only it has to come, because this is A, B, C, B, and C has to come to break this high, and then it has to fall. Because of that news, it didn't went to the high to break this, and now it's did a triangle. Just we kept like that only. But my mistake is, if it comes to that above the high, we need to sell. That is my mistake, because this is in sell zone. I know when it will become, and I already show you that in one of the Facebook pages in the 2017 also. I predicted that it will fall to below the $226, this one. So I need to be in sell side. But even though if I did trader, we need to be in the trade to trade this is a impulsive, like this kind of impulsive I am expected here. But that fundamental only caused a damage to my account, drawdown, and then I exited in my break even. Only the thing is $5,000 to $6,000 for the swap and commission I lost. But even though I will recover that, I have a confidence in only in crude I will recover that. So what now I am expecting here is, if the UCAD, if it goes to that 1.42 in coming days in the 3-way structure or 5-way structure in the corrective pattern, it will be a deeper pullback here. So if it isn't very aggressive, it can come like this, and then it has to go also, because if it is an irregular flat, it will be a very aggressive, and then it can go also. But anyway, I will be in buy side only in crude now. I don't want to sell, and I don't want to make the same mistake here. Now it is crude is in buy, so I don't want to sell position, and again I will struck. If you get what I said, no, that 1.3260 is also available, and it can has a room to go to the 1.3 also. So at that time, what it will make, again it will shoot also. It has a chances now also to $50. So according to the USD CAD only, I will took a trade here, because right now I'm not having any idea in the crude. So that UCAD is my the thing to take a trade. I'm not having any idea here, but in UCAD I having a little bit confident, and I having a wave count there. So right now first target is 1.3850, or it has to break this 1.3740, and then I will exit my position. I won't keep the position here. So I am having the two position, you know very well, at 1.3585 the one position, and 1.3420 is my another position. So I just watch, and if it comes in the A, B, C position above B, see now I will buy if it goes above that only. Until that I won't be in buy side. I won't add any positions here. So let's move on to UJ. See the candlestick is nearly 200 pips from the bottom to the top. It's just on one day. In UJ, it's not GBP and it's not a cross currencies. I'm talking about that. This pair is moves only to 40 pips. See, there is no trade here in the daily chart. See, there is no trade these days and these days. But what is the trade here? So for this pair, this is very aggressive candle. See why I will hide all those things drawings. See, here is an impulsive. We are in the downtrend, and I will show you that one chart. You come to know that. I will show that is a US 30. Yeah, this UJ. See, this is my poster on July 25th. So this could be an, and at the time also I told you this could be an X, and A, B, C has to come down. But anyway, have to buy only in that 104.8 and 104.5 zone approximately. It came and I bought at that low 104.4 I bought, and just now keeping. Now I will keep adding this position only. I built my position to break this high. First my target is 111.75 has to break. So here is an impulsive So we will move on to that real chart. So this is an impulsive, this is a correction. Now I need to break this high. So this is a A, so this is a B. Whether it is a W also, this is X. Now I need A, B, C in a bigger structure to break this. But just I am explaining you, this is an impulsive, this is an impulsive to the downside. Now we have to be a three-way structure, and then only it has to fall. Now here it's short term. See, if it is in 1 hour chart, what you will be thinking like this: A, B, C is a one leg is over, and another leg has to be in a three-way structure, and it didn't break this low. So here also one A, B, C is over, and this is the connecting wave, and another A, B, C. The B is in a running flat, and C came down aggressively. That's 700 pips from here to here. Sorry, 1100 pips. So now A, B and C is over. So this is the connecting wave for this impulsive wave. So now I am expecting this impulsive wave to break this as a first target. But here we didn't know what is happening here. Every time we finish that ABC, everybody looking for this has to break. But what happened here? It's complex correction. This is an connecting wave and fall down, and again making a running flat and fall down. So this is the complete structure now. So from here it has to break this high. But if it is a triangle, that is my question, because this is a or W. So this is A, B is completed in that as per his style in the B way character. B is completed. Now C, if it break this, it can fall from here also for the to make a D wave. So this will become a bigger triangle. So A is completed here, A or W. So this is A, B, C, D, E. So it will continue for the further 1 year also, if it is a triangle. Or if it is then very very aggressive, because to break this means gold has to come down in my analysis. That you know. From the 1975 I'm just keep on 19, from the 1800 also I'm just looking for that down. But here that character is not yet finished. That is why I'm just waiting, keep on waiting for that UJ has to come to my zone. And now this is correlating now. So at the time of that gold is coming down, it has a chances to break this. Or this could be an A, B, C. So again D has to happen, and then E, it can shoot from here itself to break this. That is also a chances, because the triangle be a bullish or bearish. If it is a triangle in the bigger B wave, this is an A means bigger A, B, C, D, and one more E wave will took all the structure to the bullish. So mind that. Or if it is in B wave triangle, this is the A. So A, B is finished. So C has to A to come, and D, E. After that, once the A or W is completed, B or X, and then it has to come to the downside. So mind that. But right now what I'm expecting here is, it first target is it has to break that 111.74. That is my first target. And if it is an A and this, if it is a W or A in the shorter time frame, but I kept as an 5-way structure. Here I will just unhide. I kept this as a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wedge formation, like that, expanded wedge formation. So I'm expecting it's a A means, B means, again the C wave I'm expecting in the 5-way structure. So once the 5-way structure is come to end, and I will exit my position. But if within this high the 5-way structure is over means, I will keep waiting to add my position for the B wave. Once the B wave is completed, I will add. How I found this is the bottom, like that we come to know after once the 5-way structure is completed. If it crosses above this and we have a target, see this is the first target. Okay, so how we have to calculate that? target means to that rejection. So 786 is around the 1220 and this is the resistance zone. So whether the 5-way structure is going to end here or that 1 2 3 is going to end here, that we have to watch here. But this is the bullish. From that here itself, one every 3-way structure in the pullback, I will be adding the position my to build my portfolio for this to create and build in UJ in buy side. So that is my uh, bias on this. So let's move on to USD Chef. That is also very interested. See, what I thought is from here is an irregular flat and then it may or may not. So if it break, that is considered as an, what I said is there is a chances for, if it didn't break the low, the X is remain, otherwise it will consider as a W in the red. So I thought it could be an another X has to form, but after that once I just watch in the daily and unhide all my drawings. See, from this to this A B C. Okay, now we are, so this fall, that is my question mark. So if it is an A B C means again A, so we are in the B wave, irregular flat, we didn't know anything. So whether if it is a W or X, 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. I will now unhide once again. That new is in different chart, in a different broker. Yeah, see this, if it is a connecting wave, this is an X. So 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. This is a W X. So A is finished. Now B has to complete. What in previous I thought is, once it broke this low, I thought a 3-way structure to the 1 and then it may fall. But what happened here is a B C A. So A B C is a B and C got a 5 waves. My shortcut is a 5 swing. See, 1 2 3 4 5. So my shortcut of the 5 swings is over. So if complete, what is the structure of that Y? A B C. So here A B C is a B C is a B, and C 1 2 3 4 5. It's completed. So it's very easy, but it's a tough to for you for the beginners. I understand here what it's happening. That is why I'm not keep place any stop loss in the below. We have to find, see what in previous I thought is, from if it didn't break this low means it has to come to this zone to break this, and then again one more low is possible. But now what happened here, it's a 5-way structure, corrective pattern. See, this is W X, A B C is a Y and X is a triangle and A B C is finished. See, 1 2 3 and again it's A B C, 1 2 3 is finished, and C, the B is an irregular flat. That is what I showed here. Sorry. That is why I showed here irregular flat. So now I am expecting to the upper side. My target is it has to break this 1.0540 is my target. So whether if it is a B means C has to be in 5 ways. So whether if it is something else, it's a W or X, in the 3-way structure it has to reach. Or if it is in complex correction, again what it will do is one more 3-way structure to here, and then it's a bigger structure will be followed. It's not, if it goes and break this is the chances to go and break this. If it failed means again there will be a lot of complex correction and it will keep moving another 4 to 5 years like this. another 4 to 5 years from here. See, it did at 2011, and after that it's a drop on 2015. Now it is 2020. The 5 years it is correction, means from here now it is a chances to make a new high. But again, if it failed, means another continuation will be that how the GBP CAD is doing, like that it will continue another. This is a complex correction, means another ABC like that, it will took more time. But if it reach at here, means from here to here, this is in C in monthly, it's a bigger correction, and it's looking like a wedge formation. So either 1 2 3 is finished. So now we are in that fourth wave, and fifth wave has to come to downside to break. So this will happen after the US election. So before the US election, they will show the dollar is keep on growing. But DXY also, what I said, it has to break that 103.82. After that it has to fall. Where it has to fall? Once the complete correction is over, whether again it if it is a three-way structure, it has to come to around $84. So at that time, that UHF, UJ, everything will make a new low. USD JPY, it has to break this, so it will come to this zone, and then again it may shoot or may not. It's all characters of this script. So I finished, I think, New Zealand dollar, everything. Just keep, we will watch that watch list. Yeah, UJ, UHF, up to UHF, and then gold. Now I told lot of times, it may break or may not break. That is valid for coming to the downside. So I will show you one more thing. Here, and unhide my drawings. This could be 1 2 3. So 4 will make a triangle or irregular flat, or this could be an end of the fourth wave. That is the question mark. Because from here to here, from that 79 to 80, for that it took nearly 19 to 20 years. So it's a deeper. So because of this correction in the fourth wave, it's 11 to 20. It's almost half of that correction it's did here. So 15 and it's 11, so 4 years, and here it's a 20 years from 80 to 99. So here 4 years and 20 years here. So whether it could be a fourth wave is completed May, because again if it is a triangle, it will took another 10 years. So we don't want to come to know that, but why I'm trying to say is, it could be a A, B, C, D, E also, and the fifth wave is ended here. So it's already broken the high. So it may ended, or one more high is possible, or may not. But what I'm trying to say is, it could be an end of the trend. So let's see, because if it comes to this zone at that time, the dollar index will go above that 105, what I'm expecting. So we have to watch this, where it is going to travel. What is the destination of this? Whether it is 1375, then again it will be a consolidation. At that time, if it comes to the downside, and then again the DXY we have to watch, and the stock market we have to watch, and then only we have to correlate. It's not now. Once again, just I drink my water. So we will move on to that 4 hour. And I started the Telegram channel. So I just forgot to tell. I started the Telegram channel in the name of Forex Surfers. So you come and join there itself, and that link is given below in the description. And here is a B, C. I thought in that high it already finished. So 3, and I thought it could be a 4 because there's a bigger drop. So now it's already did, yeah, one more high. So something here is making. Again, I think it may be a triangle also, or it could be a irregular flat, means it has to come to the downside. Or if it's keep on going little bit higher, means that we have to watch. I can't explain here what it will make. So right now I'm expecting it's a and B is an irregular flat, expanded flat, and then C is dead. It's a, here is the 5-way structure, and here it's also looking like a 5-way structure. So A, B, C is over. Now one A, B, C is over. Here also A, B, C. So again it will make a C to the downside, and it will make a triangle, and then it will shoot. So what is the target? Because here the wave 1 is very little, nearly 1788 to 18, means around nearly $30 only. So once it broke this high above the $30, so nearly it can psychological level of 2000, it will reach there 2011 or 2030, like that, then it may fall. But every time my observation is, see, first thing you have to understand that characters of this and that structure, and how you have to understand before you analyzing the market, this structure of what you are looking for. See, this gold, the precious metal is gold, and it topped or 2011 September, right? It's a 1920.94. But that silver, sorry, 1 second. Yeah, that silver did high when April 2011, but it topped on the gold on September. So nearly the 5 months gap is there, but silver is the leading one, like that. See here in the daily, it is a perfect doji candle, and we are in the inside of this big drop. Still we are not able to trade here. Once whether it has to break that high, so we will look on that weekly chart, and this is the monthly. So we are in the bigger correction, sorry, resistance zone, and my bias, you know, it has to break this low. If you ask the question mark, you have to watch. So right now in the daily, it's a doji, it's an undecision. So now I am looking for, here is gold already broke this high, it previous made high, but it is not able to broke this high. So right now I'm expecting like this. So anyway, I already added my position at 475, and then I didn't add. Here I added that 20, yeah, after the high, I just added at here. Yes, exactly, here I added, and it did an aggressive, but I didn't add here because I don't know how much long it will go. After this drop, I come to know, okay, it's out of the channel now, and it's, for me, it's a 1 2 3, and the 4 is a triangle, and the 5 ways is completed. So this is a good example, because why I love the Elliott waves. Look at this. Gold is very messy, but this is a clear structure. But I failed to catch this move. Every time it coming because of that, because of this way I expected as a running flat. So once this A B C is over, I'm expecting from here to the downside to break this low. So I missed this whole move. Even though I didn't took any loss. So just I keep adding and I will short. See, and my bias I will explain you again. See, this is in weekly chart. I will hide this. This is the complete A, B, C is the one structure is over here. So another, it has to A, B, C. But what it happened? It didn't break the high, but it broke the low. So what is the meaning of that? If you are in Elliott wave, simply you will tell that is an irregular flat. That's it. This is A, this is B and C. But this is an connecting wave. This is a ABC is over. Is I'm not accepting that. The connecting wave, it won't be, because this drop and this connecting wave is very, very less to drop here. So anyway, what my bias is, when the gold is coming to that 1375, see, gold made a new high also, but silver didn't made a new high. You just listen to that. In the same thing, 2011, gold made a high of 1920. At the time, silver did at 49.89 or 50, it's approximately, even though that high is not yet broken. So what is the meaning of that? This is not that strength to go to break this. From here it will go. I'm not sure about that, but this is my bias. One way to the drop to the downside, and then it may have a chances to break this. Not from here to here. That structure is not yet completed for me. This is an A, B, C. Here is completed. Now it's A, B, C is completed. This is a connecting wave. Now again I'm expecting one more A, B, C to the downside. That's it. Once if it finished there, I will be in buy side. So everybody asking whether it will move to the 50% drop. I'm expecting if it comes I will buy. If I see in that, this is my positional view what I'm trying to say. But if I will took the trade means, yes, I can. But in the daily time frame or in 4-hour time frame, because silver is doing is very, very messy and we can't understand what is doing the. See in here, how many of them to try to understand here what is going on. Simply they will sell is the accumulation and going to shoot. But as per my expectation, if it drop from here to here, so this is the accumulation, so this is the distribution zone, and then it is coming down. Nobody knows what is doing in the resistance zone. See what is the same thing it's doing here, right? And what happened? It's dropped. See what happened here? And it is the accumulation, and then it will shoot. We can do what we needed. We can tell what according to us we can do anything. So whether it is an accumulation or distribution, only the high was broken, then only we come to know. See if it high was broken, simply if we place the order, it may shoot, but sometimes it will keep failure. It will took the high and then it can come downside also. So let's move on to the oil. So oil, there is no trade from the past 1.5 months. I just listening because I'm not sure about this wave count, because whether it is an end of that this thing and we are in the irregular flat, but it won't go like this. But the channel is keep promising for me. This is a 1, 3. and this is the 2 and the 4. It's a triangle. A B C D E is a triangle, and the 5 waves also is completed here. 1 2 3 is completed. 1 2 3 4 5. So the 5 waves is completed and came down, but it didn't broken this low 8. So what it will happen here, it's looking like the complex correction is ended here, the correction. So whether it will go to like this and then drop, or it will here after this it may drop here also. So I'm not going to trade this because I'm trading in the UCAD. I'm going to see the strength for the dollar. So at that time it may drop, or it will do like this here. I will show you that. It will doing like this only. See this structure, 17 to 16 to 17, nearly 1 year, August to August, 1 year it's completed. From, see, this is February and this is June. So within that 4 months the impulsive wave, and that 1 year is a correction. So like that it may happen here also, because the 3 months from April and at the high is in July. So the same thing happened here. So it will took more correction here, then only it will shoot. So either I will be in buy side only. If it is in C wave in the sell, if I'm confirmed that, I will took the trade in sell side, but only for the intraday, not for the positional. So I'm just looking only for that $27. I will be in buy side if it comes to the $27. I will keep adding the position, because this is the new impulsive way. This is not an irregular flight like that. So if it is any interesting coming to know, and then I will update at the chat. So now we move on to US 30. See, I'm eager to trade. Only once I traded, and then again I didn't trade because lot of Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, I took everything in position and keep on watching that. So I'm not concentrating in this, just only for the analysis. So I expected here as a triangle in past. From here it's a B C, and then from here I expected the triangle, but this is an aggressive move, so I didn't took any trade. But if it comes here, if it I'm very confident, I will took the trade from here to break this high 27,200. After that it is a big drop is ahead, or it will do irregular flat, because so A B C is a B, so C can travel above this high also, and then it will make an irregular flat, and then it will shoot, or whatever it is, we come to know what it is doing here, or whether it is in A B C is a W, this is an A, so B C for the X has to come that is my bias. If it is making a triangle, I'm not sure about the basis. This is exactly the 5-way structure. This is not a 3-way structure to force my chart. So either it could be an irregular flat, it can go above this and then drop. We have to watch and buy, but buying is very important here in this zone. It may drop here also, because this the 786 I am expecting, it's not yet came. So whether it isn't doing another complex correction to go to this zone and then again it may fall, it could be. So that is why I think this is the thing. See, 25,700 to 25,800, there is a chances for making this X and then Y, but what we expecting, it won't be in the market. Applying it, see what we learning in the book and applying what we will see in the chart, it's different, completely different. We will see this 3, we will just put this 3 But what happened here? See, that is why I need to explain you, and then I didn't erase these things. I just simply draw this as an X. But what we did here, it's a running flat. And now sometimes it's looking like a wedge formation also. And this move, see, this move is very aggressive. So what it will do is, again it may break and then it can come down also. This is an X. So this fall is an A. So A, B, C is A, B, C, B is a B, and C is coming up. So what it will do is, it will just hit this high, but not this high here, and then it may drop. So what it will be? A, so B and C. So this is an internal way, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and C is coming up. So if it is doing here, so it could be an, again if it break this also, I'm not sure about that, it won't go here, because I'm still expecting to the downside. Maybe if it comes to the here as a connecting wave, again one more 3 ways to the downside is possible. So I think I finished everything. Yeah, Bitcoin we need to what? So Bitcoin is already broken the trend line here. What I expected, only I will trade only after they broken this channel. It's a bullish bearish channel. So now what it did means, it's already broken. Now I'm expecting, if it is a WX, again see I placed as a triangle also. Yeah, it's a triangle. So let's move on to another. It's a triangle or what? It's a B C D E. Yeah, it's a, I thought it's a little bit here, but it did the triangle here, I think so, but I didn't watch it just now. I was seeing this. Let's move on to the Fibonacci retracement from here to here. So whether this could be an irregular flat also, maybe, I'm not sure about that. If it drops like this again, if it break this high, so you will get another little bit high of 11,800 or 11,900 or 12,000. So what I thought is, it's a triangle, and if it goes above the high you can buy. So 1380, 380, you have to make a stop loss in the E wave. So now this is the E wave, so you have to make a stop loss, but this is not looking like a impulsive, it's looking like a ABC. So here I need to, because if I analyze this it will took time, so I will update it in the chart, and it will be in water market of NMK, which is like that. So let's what is the next? US30, Bitcoin, crude, silver, gold, UHF, UJ. Yeah, everything I finished, I think. And thanks for watching, and thanks for sharing, and thanks for liking my channel and subscribing. And be cautious, it's not my fault, and that is why I'm not showing the disclaimer and just reading the disclaimer. If it took the more time of 2 to 3 minutes, it's not a bigger thing, but you have to be in awareness. So watching trading, it's a very conscious, you have to do that. So thanks for watching, and thanks again, and have a nice weekend and a nice month starting of the August 1st. So be profitable. I wish to all the profitable month. So thanks a lot.